Hey everyone, for today's recipe we have a very quick and easy cranberry sauce recipe for Thanksgiving. It's a super quick one, so let's jump into it. What you'll need are cranberries, orange juice, orange zest, and maple syrup. So essentially just 3 ingredients. We're going to start by placing the cranberries, the orange juice, and the orange zest into a pot about medium to low heat. You want to give this a good mix to make sure that the zest is spread throughout the berries and the sauce is well soaked in orange juice. Now we're going to add in the maple syrup to sweeten things up because cranberries can be super tart. We're going to let this sit on the stove for about 10 to 15 minutes and mix in between from time to time. You'll see that the sauce will start bubbling and the cranberries will start to burst. And at this point, you can pull out a masher or a fork to mash the cranberries. Next, we're just going to plate this up. As you can see, this is the most easiest recipe that you'll probably make for Thanksgiving. So give it a try and let us know what you think. Remember to like and subscribe, and we can't wait to see you again. Bye.